Here today at Traffic Jams to talk about our JL Audio pieces. It is a proud honor of ours to be a JL Audio signature dealer. So we just want to share with you some of the insight that we get on the product that we get, share some knowledge. And this product here is something that just came out. It's the DRC-205. It replaces the DRC-200, and it has a couple of cool features, and as well it has a cosmetic upgrade. So these are some of the things that we want to talk about today. We're going to show you how the operation works and tell you about the differences between the 205 and the 200, and we're going to get right into this in about 3, 2, 1, go. So this digital remote control is built to work with the VXI amplifiers, as well as the Fix 86 and the Fix 82. It gives you your basic volume control over the entire system. That's the front knob. The back knob gives you subwoofer control and subwoofer control only. There is also a nice lit LED that's in between the two knobs that allows you to see the different functions. Green means the system's okay. Red means the signal is clipping and it wants you to reduce the source volume going into the signal. And in amber is a hands-free mode. And the hands-free mode is something that's pretty cool. It actually disables the VXI time correction and adds a high-pass filter to the audio to clarify the sound for making hands-free phone calls. So you see the DRC-200 has just a basic appearance. It's all black plastic, nothing really, spectacular. It's basic, it's simple, but it's functional. So there's nothing wrong with this remote, but this remote looks amazing. It has different texture on the rubber around it. It has chrome pieces and LED lighting. So this one's actually, it looks a whole lot better than the previous version. Also another feature on the DRC-205, it allows you to adjust the master volume, subwoofer volume, switch between 6 presets tunings that you have already inside of your Fix, or your VXI amplifier. It also illuminates the LED as far as giving you the amp status in the mode as well. So those are things that the DRC-205 does, the DRC-200 does not.